Messy countertops? Not on our watch. This two-tier Z-shaped organizer brings the order you deserve. Say goodbye to chaotic counters and hello to flawless organization with the NEATORA two-tier bathroom counter organizer. Designed with a patented Z-shaped structure, this sleek storage solution isn't just eye candy, it's a stable, space-maximizing game-changer. With a sturdy frame and a pull-out drawer, this multi-purpose storage rack is perfect for makeup, skincare, perfumes, and even kitchen essentials. Unlike flimsy plastic organizers that wobble under pressure, this solid acrylic and aluminum masterpiece won't tip, wobble, or disappoint. It's time to reclaim your counter space with a modern touch of elegance and efficiency. Forget the struggle of digging through cluttered cabinets. This two-tier makeup organizer offers ample space for all your essentials while maximizing vertical storage. The roomy shelves and convenient pull-out drawer allow you to store, stack, and access everything without the frustration. No more knocking over bottles, losing lipsticks, or searching for your favorite skincare. This space-saving beauty station keeps everything visible, accessible, and perfectly arranged. Whether for bathroom, vanity, office, or kitchen use, it adapts to your needs, because who doesn't love a little extra organization? Flimsy, unstable organizers? Not here. Crafted from premium acrylic and corrosion-resistant aluminum alloy, this durable powerhouse can handle humid bathroom conditions without rusting or warping. Each tier holds up to 4 kilograms, ensuring your favorite products sit securely and stylishly. The low center of gravity and weight-balanced Z-shape provide ultimate stability, even when fully loaded. No more tipping, no more spills, just pure organization bliss. It's tech-tested, quality-approved, and ready to upgrade your space with a touch of modern sophistication. Who has time for complicated assembly? Not you. Luckily, this bathroom vanity organizer is quick and tool-free to set up. Just snap it together and enjoy instant clutter relief. The smooth pull-out drawer lets you access hard-to-reach items without fumbling, and the easy-to-disassemble design makes cleaning a breeze. Whether it's for bathroom must-haves, kitchen spices, or a perfume display, this versatile organizer does it all. Functional, fashionable, and frustration-free, because organizing should be easy, not exhausting. Who said premium organization has to be expensive? The NEATORA two-tier countertop organizer gives you high-end quality without the hefty price tag. Sleek, durable, and ultra-functional, this multi-purpose storage solution makes every counter look cleaner, classier, and more put together, all without breaking the bank. From bathroom countertops to kitchen counters, this Z-shaped powerhouse saves you time, money, and sanity. Why waste space when you can elevate your home with smart storage? Get yours today and make clutter a thing of the past.